Hey everybody, Joe here. This is going to be a quick little update. So, after sorting through the 31 boxes from the pab wall, I kind of had an urge to do a little bit more reorganizing. So, the 3-wire shelves I had, they were bugging me, the order of it, so I basically cleared them all out, restacked them. So, on this shelf here, basically we have any sets that are yet to be going in the city. Any bins here are mix and match bins that are yet to be sorted. Moving to the middle shelf, still got a couple sets down there that are to be finished and placed. And for this one here, these are all the sorted boxes. So we have the translucent blue cheese wedges, we got some train track. But each container you see has its own piece in it, and as you can see, we got a lot of different stuff. Yes, a lot of margarine containers, a lot of shoebox containers. Still got a lot of cups. And we got some of the pab wall boxes up there labeled with what's in them. And a few little containers there with various little bits and pieces in. And for the third shelf, up top we got some empty boxes, some pre-cut boxes, some extra bags. We still working on our wall art. And moving down, we still have other sets and cars and so far to be placed. And on the bottom two are sets we have yet to build. So those are all on the to-do list. And that's really about it. Not much more to say. Somewhat organized, so that's not going to bug me anymore. And stay tuned. Like, subscribe, drop a comment, and I'll see you later.